Okay, so I have Google Calendar for all my appointments, and I also have Gmail for all my emails. But wouldn't it be ideal if I was able to get an email about the daily agenda I have ahead of me? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So the first thing that you want to do is tap into the settings icon in your Google Calendar and tap into settings again. Then what you want to do is select the calendar that you want to get emailed about. So scroll down until you get to a section that is called Other Notifications, and at the very bottom of this you'll see here Daily Agenda. Now you can see that you will receive a daily email with the agenda for this calendar, and that goes straight into my email every day. All you have to do is tap on the email option and that will automatically save that for you. So from here on in, if I make any new appointments on a daily basis, I will get an email about that straight into my Gmail. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.